Hello and welcome to another tutorial with AC QuickBooks Training. Today I'm going to look at the file extensions that are created with the QuickBooks desktop file. So let's get started. When you create your company file, QuickBooks creates 4 files. The most important one, well, they are all important because QuickBooks will not open the file if you are missing any of these extensions. This is the QBW file. This is where all your data is stored. And, oh, sorry about that. And the TLG file is where QuickBooks keeps track of changes to the file from the last backup. So that one's important. The ND file, which is the network data file, is a configuration file that allows access to the QuickBooks company file. So they are all important. Now, when you have a backup file, it's not this QBW file. It's actually, let me bring it over, this file. And if we go to right-click Properties, we can see it's a QBB file. So if you have a QBB file, it's actually a backup file for your company file. With this, you can restore your company file at the point that it was saved. So I'm going to show you how to restore a QBB file in a minute here. But I wanted to show you what the QuickBooks files were, or what your company file was made of, what QuickBooks creates in the back end for you. Okay, so let me show you how to restore a company file. Here we are in the QuickBooks desktop. When you open QuickBooks, you will see these 3 tags. You can certainly open a sample file, open your existing company file, or restore a file, or create a new one. So we're going to restore a QBB file. So let's click on this. And then this is going to come up, and we want to restore a backup copy. So we're going to select backup copy. We're going to hit next, and we're going to find that backup copy. And I have that on the desktop, so we're going to select it and then click next. Then it's going to ask us where we want to restore that company file. I'm not going to restore it. You can save it where you want the company file to be at. And remember, it will create those 4 files for you, and then you can go on and use it. Now, if you do have a backup file that, let's say, your accountant has used and is giving you one, you need to make sure that you have the password. Otherwise, you will not be able to gain access to that file. You won't be able to see it. And that is what I wanted to share today.